Have you ever found a mysterious black stone and wondered if it could be a black diamond? Black diamonds, also known as carbonado diamonds, are among the rarest types of natural diamonds. Unlike traditional transparent diamonds, black diamonds contain many tiny inclusions that give them their dark color. One of the first things to check is the stone's luster, or shine. Real black diamonds usually have a metallic or glass-like shine when exposed to light. They often sparkle with tiny reflections, rather than displaying a clear, transparent appearance. Another important clue is hardness. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth, ranking 10 on the Mohs hardness scale. A real black diamond can scratch glass and many other minerals. However, hardness tests should be performed carefully to avoid damaging valuable stones. Weight can also help. Black diamonds are generally heavier than many common black stones of the same size. Look closely at the surface. Natural black diamonds often have rough textures, irregular crystal shapes, and small natural features formed deep inside the earth billions of years ago. Be careful not to confuse black diamonds with common minerals such as obsidian, black tourmaline, hematite, or black quartz. These stones can sometimes look similar, but have very different properties and values. A magnifying loupe is a useful tool for beginners. Under magnification, you may notice natural textures and tiny inclusions that help distinguish a diamond from glass or other minerals. The most reliable way to identify a black diamond is through professional testing by a gemologist or gemological laboratory. Experts use advanced tools to examine hardness, density, and light behavior. Remember, appearance alone cannot confirm that a stone is a black diamond. Proper testing is essential before buying, selling, or claiming a stone as valuable. Nature creates many beautiful black minerals, but true black diamonds remain among the most fascinating and rare gemstones in the world.